The 2015 Acura RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power driver's seat, keyless entry, Bluetooth, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control, premium sound, climate control, center armrest, power windows, clock, power door locks, side airbag, security system, CD player. Come see the car for yourself.